Yes.
Hello everyone. What if I told you that learning has no age? Retirement is often seen as the end of a chapter. But for our guest today, it was a beginning of brand new journey. I'm going to introduce a remarkable retired teacher who is perseverance, determined, and desire to grow up, keep us young heart. Her journey is living proof that it's never too late land to mend your days. So let's dive on it. Hello, ma'am. Good
Yeah.
morning.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I am fit as a fiddle. What
Yes,
about yours? How
I'm,
life is treating you?
I'm also fit as fiddle. Everything is under control, and there is no complaint. And I'm thrilled also because I always admired your insight, and I always wanted to have a session with you.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Thank you so much for accepting my request. So, ma'am,
Yeah.
I know little bit about you. I also want to know more. So, would you mind to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
good morning, ma'am. As you know, my name Pramila Jain. I am a retired teacher. My roots are in Madhya Pradesh, and nowadays I have plethora of hobbies. But nowadays I incorporate one more hobbies like communication skill. I want to improve, so I connected with so many YouTubers, and I always feel very glad whenever I connected with any YouTuber like you. And you are the youngsters, so like one more Indu ma'am also. So yeah, I feel very glad whenever I connected, and I like hats off to you all because of you guys, na. We are enjoying our retired life. So yeah, it's a great moment for me.
Thank you so much, man. Your words mean a lot for me, and you are such an inspiration, lady, I would say. So, ma'am, after retiring, I just want to ask some question related to your journey, whatever I know about you. So after retiring, I think you have lot of things like name, fame, money, each and everything. So I want to ask one question that what is the most important lesson life has taught you?
Okay. So during my journey, the most important lesson I learned, and always I want to learn till my death, key learning.
Yes.
We should never stop learning. It doesn't matter you are working woman, you are housewife, whatever it is. Every day you have to learn something, and you have to grow in your life. Otherwise there is no meaning of life. If we stop learning, I think life ends. So
Yes.
every day, it doesn't matter in the communication field, any field, if you are cooking something in your kitchen, you have to try new recipes. So this way we have to learn every day. I believe in that.
Yes, ma'am. I totally agree with you that learning is a way to enhance your personality, to develop your personality, and every new day is a new opportunity for us. If we are learning, means we are growing, and every challenge whenever we learn something so it can boost our confidence and motivates us that you
I
are
agree.
unstoppable, you can achieve everything, there is no way, it means everything is possible, every problem has solution, because learning is the way it can opens, it's a sliding door to open to see the new life, new version of yourself. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
true. True.
Yeah. So, what does, ma'am, for you, what does success mean to you? Because you are on this level where you get each and everything. So,
Yeah.
after you realize, like, what does
Yeah.
success mean to you?
It's like very wonderful questions, and everybody wants to know because everybody is unique in this world, and the definition of success is have different meaning for each and everyone. So for me, like, not only name and fame. I don't believe in name and fame, and I don't want to do anything for my name and people will appreciate me. I never like seek appreciation for anyone, because I want to believe in myself, and I am
Yes.
a self motivated person. So always I feel like we have to believe in ourselves. If we respect ourselves, then others will always respect you. If you will not respect yourself, nobody will respect you. So always try believe in yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I agree
Yes.
with you that, yeah, I couldn't more agree with you that believing on yourself and success, I think success means different for different people. Some people
Yes.
want money, wealth, status, but for other, like the actual meaning of success is meaningful life, what you are
Correct.
living. Yeah, because
Because name and fame is not permanent.
yes,
Sometimes you gain the money, and sometimes your name like very popular, but the inner peace and self belief, no one can like steal it. So I
yes, ma'am.
believe in that, and whole
Yeah.
life I worked on it.
Yes, ma'am. And how much you are content from your life? Because I have seen lots of people, their wallet are full, but their peace of mind, their life is restless. But they are feeling every time they are suffering a lot because they have not that kind of bond with other people. So
True.
success doesn't mean name, fame, status. It means like success means how much wealthy life you are living and meaningful life, relation with
Right.
your loved one, because at the end of the life, your behavior, your character matters. Name, fame,
Correct.
like it will remain here, but people will remember always by your character or behavior.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
100% true.
So yes, ma'am. As I know that you were teacher, so you have weared so many cap
Yeah.
because as a women we have to perform so many tasks in our life. So usually, how do you handle difficult situation, ma'am, in your life?
Yeah. So for me, every day, like life is totally difficult. You know, every day gives you challenge to live. But if we have the positive approach towards life, कि whatever is happening, it has the reason behind it, and we
Yes,
have to wait for the reason, because good things takes time, and we
yes,
have to keep patience. If we have patience, then we can handle anything in our life. Nothing is difficult for us if we have the patience. Patience is like a gem for each and everyone. So if we have that type of like gem, then nobody can defeat us, and nothing will like uh, pressurize us ki what we will do if we will feel like that. So if we have the patience, so struggle any type of hardships, whatever you are facing, nothing like that. So patience and positive approach, these two things if we have, then we can face all the challenges and hurdles of life.
yes, ma'am. Yes, I agree with you because as a human, we are emotional. So we have emotion. So there is no brainer about that. Difficulties comes in our life. It's a part and parcel of our life. So as
Correct.
you gave the answer, patience, it's a kind of shield that it
Yeah.
can protect us from difficulties, and positive and patience if you have, so very smooth sailing, you can overcome any situation no
Yeah.
matter what's going around you, because whatever happen for a reason. So just
Yes.
believe on God and just believe on yourself, then you can see that everything is possible, because impossible itself shows I am possible.
Yes, correct.
If you
And
have
God is always with us. If we are on the right track, then believe in ourselves. God always will help us in any difficult situation.
Yes. And ma'am, I
Yes.
have seen whenever you have positive attitude and you always see like how to overcome this situation, find solution over question, and always see the brighter side of the question. So definitely there is a will, there is a way. You will get lots of ways to overcome that problem. But
Right.
if you are crying over spilled milk every time you are making that you this happened with you, so I think that is not the solution. Panicking
Yes.
and crying is not the solution. You need to search
Always
the.
we have to focus on the solutions, bright side of the life, not the
Yes.
problems.
Yeah.
Problems
So
like coming and going everywhere in everybody's life. But if we have the good solutions, then we can handle it. And it also, like every problem, teach us something great.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Everything teaches us
So we
new
have to
life.
handle like a opportunity. So we
Yes.
are like ready to like becoming our better version of life. Believe in
Yes.
that. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And even, ma'am, nowadays I am reading Alchemist book. So there also means mentioned that every you should always enjoy your journey, because God has already planned for you. It just like if you are enjoying your journey, you are learning life lesson from it. Then you can go ahead. Then you can live how to live your best life.
Right.
Otherwise, if you are in comfort zone, so then nobody can make you learn life lesson. If you will come
Right.
cross to the bridge, then you come to know what happened.
Yeah. So when we go through like different successful persons'
Person's
biographies, na,
biographies, na?
so every successful person like have faced so many challenges in their life, and after they like glowing in their life and achieve success. So without hurdles, we can't achieve success.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
gold, it has to like boil in the fire, and after that we can make it ornaments. So if we
Even
want to achieve something great, then we have to first burn like the candle. Then we
yes.
can show the light to the world.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Even yesterday, I was listening a podcast of UPSC. I think she has cracked the UPSC. So she was saying, like just like a जैसे हम तीर को कमान में भरते हैं तो उसे पीछे जाना पड़ता है, तो उसे उतना ही
Right.
महसूस करना पड़ता है. So as like in our life, every challenges are helpful, and it is the way you can overcome the situation.
Yes, yes. Only we have to change our mindset,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
we are looking towards the problems.
Yes.
Not like a problem, like an opportunity. If we look like that, then nothing is like that.
Yes, ma'am. So my question is, whatever you have, what do you think the most grateful in your life? What things you have, for what you consider
Yeah.
that you are most grateful?
Yeah. Actually, first of all, I would like to say as a human being, because I belong Jain community, and मनुष्य जीवन ये एक सबसे बड़ी अनमोल रत्न है हमारा, like that, so being human, I feel very blessed कि definitely I did something great in my previous life, so that's why I am here in this world. And secondly, my parents,
Yes, ma'am.
like I am very lucky to got such lovely parents, and because of that I am sitting in front of you. They
Yes,
motivate me every time whenever I face any difficulty, challenges, any hurdles. Always they motivate me. They gave me the strength to face the all hurdles in life. So I am like very grateful towards my parents, and I also thankful for God for giving me such nice parents.
yes, ma'am. And ma'am, like whenever I usually ask this question to like most of people, so whenever I ask, so they always count their materialistic things. I have
Yeah.
this big house, this much
Yes.
car, but I got the unique answer from your side. That first we are human being. After that, like parents who
Yes.
has a big role. That's why we are here. Otherwise, God is a messenger, and our parents are the producer. Like they have given us this chance to. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes. Yes. You are audible.
Actually, light has gone.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so this is so my next question is not question, it's a situation as you believe is as a devour believer of God. So I
Yeah.
want to ask one situation to you that one day you open your eyes and you open your door, so God in front of you, you were flabbergasted that God was standing there, and he was saying that today whatever you ask, like today I will grant one wish you truly desire. What would you wish, and what make it so important to you? Like one wish you
Okay.
have to ask to God. So what
So
you
first
ask?
of all, this is a
Well, this is a
very
very
good question for me because I am waiting. I am like living in this world, and I always believe like God. One day, God will in front of me and shower His blessings on me and ask me how's your life going on. And today you are asking me this question. So yeah, it's a hypothetical question, but yeah, I would like to answer it. कि if this thing happen with me, so first of all, I will bow down my head towards the God and always pray to give me the strength to face every hurdles with a great strength and courage.
Yes,
Always
ma'am.
give me the courage to face the challenge and face the problems and keep me cool and calm and composed every time whatever going on in our life, because life, if life is there, then problems are everywhere. We can't
Yes.
imagine ki life without problem. We can't imagine the life. So problems are everywhere and every time, but our courage, our peace, and our, if we are cool and composed, then we can live in this world happily.
Yes, ma'am.
So I pray for it, and I ask to God always keep showering on me and bless me and give me the strength to live happily in this world. And whatever I have, I want to share with others. Always, I have this type of mindset
Yes, ma'am.
because, yeah, so I always believe in that. Ki give me the strength. Ki I help, especially needy person. I would love to help them a lot, and small kids also.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever I have, I would always prefer to them.
Your answer truly amazed me, ma'am. That I was thinking that this situation is true, and I'm just watching you and like God's conversation, both of you. So, as you said, problems and difficulties are part and parcel, and without it, we can lose the charm of happiness, also, ma'am. That we
Yes,
would understand what the value of happiness, because if night is there, that's why we salute to sun early morning, because after night, after hurdles, obstacle, when we get our success, then we enjoy this that thing. So as like difficulties, then when we overcome that difficulty, then we know what the values, what we learn from it, experiences. So it's very indispensable in our life, everything is important. So yes, ma'am. And if someone will ask, if you will ask the same question to me, that if God is in front of you, then what would you ask? What would you ask for God? So I was thinking to create this situation that if I would ask this question, so what would I give answer? So, ma'am, if someone asks, if God will ask, so definitely I would say, I want you. Because if God is with you, so you have an invisible power, invisible energy. Because God, we are the part of God. हम भगवान के ही तो अंश हैं. So if God with us, so just like our parents, because parents are
yes,
not, it's not means feasible for us to that parents, we always parents with us, when college, when you are any stage after getting married, my parents are not there. So if God is there, so I consider that, I think like God is within me and everywhere where am I again, so automatically that strength, that power, that kindness, that positive ripple effect will create from inside me. So definitely I will, and whatever you said, I will also have that concern, that thing in my mind, that I will also pursue this thing. So I'm amazed, ma'am, to listen your answer also.
It's my pleasure. Feeling is mutual. Like you have the same feelings. I'm feeling very.
Um,
Now I am audible?
you know what happened? It seems like you are mute.
No.
Yes. Now I think now it's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am. One last question, that
Yeah.
nowadays, because my father-in-law also retired teacher, he
Okay.
was lecturer. So how what new hobbies have you started? Because nowadays he always hooked up on mobile, and
Yeah.
he every time use like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, because he was a geography teacher. So he
Okay.
has fond of watching geography related videos. So what's your new hobby you have started after retirement? I want to
Yeah.
ask.
Yeah. Yeah. So after retirement, actually, I am totally free. So I manage my life because during my job, I couldn't do that things like every day visit temple, pray to God like that. But nowadays, I start my day with affirmation. After that, I take shower and visit temple every day. Every day I visit temple, and after that I start my day. So I feel very glad when I visit temple. So inner like my strength, I feel ki I am energetic and I am rejuvenate to do something great today. So that's why every day I start my day with prayer and go to visit temple every day. And after that I start cooking and whatever household chores and all this.
Course and all this.
And after finishing all the household chores, I consume YouTube content, and I watch YouTubers like conversational videos a lot. And I listen motivational speakers also. And sometimes at night, like I listen songs because I am a mellophile, so I love old songs. So I listen Lata Mangeshkar and Mohammad Rafi and all. Yeah, so this way I am enjoying my life, and communication skills like gives me the new reason to live this life. Nowadays, I am like a um, primary class student in this field because during my master's and graduation, my medium was Hindi. So I learned, you will amaze, like I learned alphabets in class 6th. In
Oh,
class
yeah.
6th. But I always passionate about this language, कि I want to learn this language, but during some responsibilities and job, you can understand. So I didn't have much time, but nowadays I am free, so I am totally utilizing this time to learn this skill. And yeah, I am learning.
Yes, ma'am. And I would say that it's a God grace. After completing your all work, now you are free to learn. And it's a fortunate time for you, that you can
Yes.
learn each and everything because you have already done. And I always, admire those people because you have completed your all responsibilities at the same means on time. So very nice, ma'am. And whatever now you have time, so whatever passion you can pursue. And thank you.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. And you are such an inspiration for us also, that is, you are truly proved that age is just a number. You can start from anywhere, whatever, no matter what situation is going on. So
Yes,
thank
I
you.
started from, you can say, like scratch. I didn't know how to frame a sentence like in conversation, 5 to 10 minutes. When I started like 1 year ago, that time within 5 or 10 minutes, I don't have any words not coming from my mouth. How can I talk with someone? But nowadays, I am feeling little bit confident, but still I want to learn more. So you guys are here, so you are my inspiration also. If you are doing this work, then why I can't? So I am also enjoying this journey and learning so much things from you.
Yes, ma'am. It's a win-win situation, ma'am. Give and take.
Yeah.
We are taking something from you,
Yes.
maybe we are giving. So,
Yes.
actually, ma'am, there is a connection problem, but
Okay.
it
Okay.
was very insightful conversation. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, ma'am, for sharing screen with me. I'm so thrilled.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm looking.
Feeling is mutual. I am very like grateful to provide me the opportunity, and I am looking forward to have more session with you, and especially with your like child, your son and daughter. Oh my God! Whenever I watch those videos, so my heart filled. So yeah. Okay. Bye.
Okay,
Have a
thank
good
you so
day.